Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at SPY on the daily, weekly, and 5-minute time frame, so nobody saw this coming. Maybe somebody out there tucked away did, but boy, what a surprise. And all it took was watching our chat room overnight and just the amount of posts and all of it just meaning nothing, as this morning everything completely turned around and we have a bullish breakout. Ultimate short squeeze. Bullish MACD cross. We did reject from the upper Bollinger Band at 216.72. We need to update that resistance right at the open tomorrow. That's going to be a key level along with 217.10. But we took out every single high of resistance that we have seen in the past month. We're looking up here at 217.53, and we're very close to turning this trend around. Watching SPX on the weekly time frame as we have been, it's the 10-week moving average resistance. And if we close at 21.52 or better, we turn all moving averages back into support. And after 5 rejections from this 10-week moving average, closing above that level would be huge. We're going to see an increase in bull volume. We are going to have, let's see, we're at 12 billion last week. We're at 8 billion. So we need to see a lot more shares traded in the next 2 days. But it's going to be high volume either way. And that's a huge candlestick. And the daily volume shows the power behind that move. You cannot ignore this kind of volume to the upside. It's the highest volume we have seen in many months. We had a big bear volume day, down 222 million shares, and we blew that out of the water over 10% higher today for the bulls. So cannot disregard how significant this is for the bulls. Will we continue is the question, and we likely will see some continuation. If we consolidate, we'll look for higher lows to form, and I am looking for this trend to potentially change because we have taken out a lot of key resistances. I'll be a lot more comfortable if we take out 217.53. That will for sure put us looking back at all-time high. Feels pretty ridiculous to be saying all-time high in the same sentence as the S&P 500 after last night's action. So looking at the 5-minute chart, the bulls really let us know something was up the first candlestick. We opened the day at 212.37, and next thing you know, we hit 213.98 in a couple minutes out of nowhere. So right away, we're saying, oh, okay, bulls are here. And we back tested, bounced off the 200 period support, and then the higher lows and higher highs continued. Look at the 20 period 5-minute moving average holding as support, new high, pulling back, bouncing off this support. There were bearish trades to be had. We were flipping bearish puts in the chat room. There was really nice volatility, some nice trading to be had, and we weren't playing bullish just because at this point the move was so exaggerated to the upside. We're kind of just waiting for the rug to be pulled out. You know, where are we going to top out? No one could believe this move. So obviously, ideally, we would rather be trading with the trend, but due to these circumstances, there were bearish trades to be had. There was a nice pullback here, and then once we lost that 20 period support, it was very short term. I was trading with some larger positions than usual and just locking in quick trades for holding for really less than 5 minutes. And we did see a little bit of a sell-off at the end of the day, but not significant. The hourly time frame is holding all moving average supports. Exponential as well. Still very strong. The RSI never got overbought on the hourly chart because of how weak we were overnight. And the RSI is at 63. So there is still upside potential. And the daily upper Bollinger Band, which rejected the price today, will be a key resistance to watch. That's going to be right around 217 at the open tomorrow. So all kinds of volatility is likely to stay. And we're going to see an exciting end of the week. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll check back in after the close tomorrow.